Hello everyone, it's me Abash, and I'm going to give a demonstration on my project. This is the group project that I worked on and I submitted. So, let me show the demonstration. So, I directly run the main program, which is Java, main.java. So, I have two mode over here. One is text mode and other is graphical uh, user interface mode, that is GUI. So let's have a look at the text mode, the first console mode. So I chose the console mode by pressing 1. So let me copy all the data files. So which is over here inside the data folder, which is named as member underscore data.csv. So I'll copy the file and enter the path, which is member underscore data.csv. So it said successfully copied. So let me view, which is number 5. It is asking for ID. No, no, no. So it displayed all the files, list of all the files. I've listed 10 files over here. So let me add one more new member. So I'll skip. So what do you want to do? I want to add new member. Type, let's say PT, ID, let's say 11, first name, let's say Yogen, last name Karki, performance 99, base fee, let's say 80. True, false, true. Okay. So duplicate ID added. My bad. So I guess member 11 already exists, so I have to input again. So let's input again. Type PT and let's go for ID 20, first name Yodsen, car key, and performance 90, base fee 80, true. Okay. So added and saved to the same file. So let's view based on ID. I'll leave the name and performance blank. So this one has been added over here. So let's do another query. Let's update the another member. Okay. So let's update member. Let's update member number 2. Let's update its performance. So member 2 has performance of member 2 has performance of 30 for now. Let's update it to 60, performance 60. So let's view it once again. So member 2 has performance 60 now. Let's remove one user from here. Let's remove user 1 from here. So let's remove by pressing 4, member 2 delete, number 4 confirm. Are you sure? Yes, we are sure, and save it to the same file. Okay, so let's view it again. So what did I did? Oh, I accidentally pressed. So let's view all the members. As you can see, I removed the user number 4. So as you can see, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. User number 4 has been removed. So I did this. View log. So we can also view log and sequences from here. So on pressing this, it will show what I did recently. So I loaded the file, I successfully copied all the files, I added member number 20, I updated the member number 2 for 2's performance from 30 to 60, I deleted user 4. Yeah, that's all. So let's go for sorting member name by performance or name. So let me view member for that. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, as you can see, and as you can check their performance based activity. So uh, let me sort members based on their performance in ascending order. Okay, so you can check. So performance user the table has been sorted based on performance. So you can check to 55, 60, 79, 80. So yeah, it has been sorted according to the performance. So let me sort according to their name as well. So from A to Z, first name A to Z. Okay. So I'll do four. Yeah, you can check the table has been sorted again based on the increasing order, that is A to Z. So let's perform this one, binary search one. So I'll input 8 and it will ask for ID. So I'll give user number 3 randomly. So it said 3 enter ID 3 found. So this is the existing user for member number 3. So the last one is the generate analytics on number 9. So I'll put it again. So top and to include let's say 50. Save summary. I'll input yeah result dot txt. Okay, so it says the result has been saved as result dot txt. Now let's move to, is it recording? Yeah. So now let's move to another mode, that is graphical user face enter mode. I'll run the program again and it will ask me for the two option, text or graphical. So I'll move to GUI. So yeah, so I had already loaded all the files over here. So if you want to load the files, you can load it from here. So since it has been already loaded, so loading it doesn't make any sense. So I can even save the file after modifying it. I'll do that, I'll show that later on. I can even add member from here. So let's modify it to pt. I'll give ID number 25, first name Rahul, Raj. I'll leave 75. I'll give it 68. Active. Okay, so you can have a look over here. The user has been added. Let me update the same user again. So as you can see, his performance is 75 over here. I'll update it to 90 over here. So you can have a look for his performance. 75 has been updated to 90 over here. Yeah, I can even delete the same user. Let me delete user 11 from here. So yeah, you can see user 11 has been updated. So have a look over here. I'll sort it according to ascending. I'll sort it over according to descending. I can even search the same user quickly. 25, something like Rahul should pop up over here. Yeah, and I can even save the user with the some sort of name. So let's say I'll leave it over with the name Rahul. So yeah, it says Rahul summary has been saved. I can even save the same file with the other name. I'll give new underscore working .csv. So it will say it has been saved. Yeah, it has been saved over here. So let me quickly show you where all the files have been saved. So it should be programming, yeah, programming with trivial assignment data, yeah, and new underscore working. So this is the new file that I created recently. Yeah, that's all. So these are the cores that I use. Let me quickly close the program. Yeah, the program has been closed, and these are all the list of the cores that I used, and it has been uploaded as well. That's all. Thank you.